440 Magnum. Get that vendor tag. 68 Roadrunner. The only time the Roadrunner is in black and white is on a 68. And this one is 68 because we also have the round marker lights. Right there's our round marker lights. Base engine, 383, and then the black hood. 1 year again only. Yeah, super cool. Very nice restoration on this car. Yeah, RM21. So the 21, it's got the push out back windows. They don't roll down. 23 would have the roll down back windows. Still got the 14-inch, the red line. Originally would be tires, and this one's a 4-speed. That's a cool car. That's really cool. In Sunfire Yellow, I think. I don't know. I don't see right now what the color is. I'll look here. I think it's Sunfire Yellow. Display right beside the concession. Look at this display. We're here at the 62nd annual Draggins Rod and Custom Car Show, and Tracy and Val brought out their winged machines. So you got the Plymouth Roadrunner and the 69 Daytona. So we're going to do some videos at their place here when we get into this summer, but this setup is just super slick. So I just wanted to make sure they put a big shout out here to Cell 20. Their Demon 170 hasn't shown up yet, but it's on its route. Look at that. Both are 4-speed cars, both are Dana 60 cars, and both 440 cars. So Hemi Orange and R4 Red. There's the Daytona. So you notice this Daytona looks a little bit different than stock Daytona. Even the Roadrunner's got some arched leaf springs in the back, got lifted a little bit. But this Dave from Edmonton came up, and he did all of this work here and turned all that silver. Last October, we were at Tracy and Val's when Dave was doing this. It's all by hand. This whole thing is by hand. Painted the glue out by hand, did all the silver flake by hand, and turned it all by hand. It was really, really cool to see. I got a couple of videos of him doing it that I'll attach to this one, just so you can appreciate what he all did. Yeah, 4-speed. Yeah.